y'all, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Day. You know, I'm doing a little YouTube thing now or whatever. I'm trying to really get into it now that it's summertime because I finished my finals today. Yes! Okay, but right into the video because I'm not gonna talk a whole bunch. But yeah, hey y'all. So this is like my first hair video. Okay, y'all, I'm so excited. This is the longest month of my life. Yeah, it's been the longest month of my life because, honey, I'm about to start my Loc journey on May 8th, 2018. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this. It should be up before May 8th, but that's gonna be my Lociversary, y'all. Because for one, I don't be doing my hair anyway. I'm usually walking around with a scarf, a bonnet, or a wig. So my hair is always braided down and stuff anyway, so why not have locks and get it growing and get it showing? You know what I'm saying? I ain't playing. Ooh, yes, honey, you know what I'm saying, because I'm not playing with you. Whoa. No, but yes, May 8th, 2018 is going to be my Lociversary. I already had my consultation. It was April 1st, I believe, the day before Easter. She had put 4 locks in my head to let me see what size I want. Miss K, she's in San Antonio. If I can find her information before I upload it, I will more than likely put it down below. If not, the day that I go down there, I'm probably gonna vlog, kinda. So y'all will see her and she'll tell y'all all her information and stuff because, you know, we gotta get it how we live and we gotta get this money or whatever. But yes, she has locks herself, and she did my mom's sister locks. My mommy has sister locks or whatever. She just got hers in March something. Yeah, she just got hers or whatever. And she does sister locks, and I want to get the interlocking method because it keeps the length and everything of your hair. Because I know when you get comb coils, especially because they put product in your hair goes. Okay, let me tell you, because my girl Lynn, her name Lynn's Life, it'll be right here. Lynn's Life on YouTube. That's my girl. We both go to bed together or whatever. And she has comb coils, and Lynn's hair was long. I'll show y'all how long mine is. This is my collarbone. Mine goes to about right here. Okay, my hair is 6 inches. But my hair is 6 inches, and I believe Lynn's hair is longer than mine because she could rock a big old puff and all types of stuff, like without the knee high, like the actual chongo ponytail holder. She had long hair, and then when she got her locks were itty bitty. I was like, ooh, child. I don't know if I can do that. She rocking it though. She doing the dang thing. But that's why I want to get interlocking. So everybody can do interlock. Everybody can roll some hair in their hands, clearly, because if you watching this, you probably thought about getting locks, and you probably gonna try to see what it was gonna be looking like when you started out and stuff. But everybody can do that, but everybody can't interlock. So sister locks is interlocking the whole way. So I want a sister loctician to do my interlocks and keep my stuff up because that's what they're certified to do. They paid that money to get their certification. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all this jungle underneath this bonnet. All this just up in here. This is all my hair. All of this, honey. Yes. It needs to be washed, but it's stretched a little bit. So. Oh! Jesus Stevens. Woo! Y'all, this DIY ring light I done made. Yeah. It looks good though. This camera looks really good. But yeah, this is all my hair. I have major shrinkage, and about a year ago, honey, I was bald. Not like bald, not like bald. Not like basketball bald. But my hair was like real short. I had probably like that much hair. Y'all see that? Only about like this much hair in the back, and then it was less at the top, way less than this and stuff. If I find a picture, I'll insert it somewhere over here or something. But yeah, this is my hair. I have a lot of hair on my head. My head ain't the longest, but my head is covered in hair. So like I told you, when she did my consultation, she measured my hair, and she had, what the heck? Honey, the demons in my house turned off my lights. Okay. As I was saying, when I had my consultation, she measured my hair. My hair is 6 inches. I'm gonna stand up a little bit. But my hair grew a lot. I don't know where this hair came from, because when I tell y'all I had like this much hair on the back of my head, not even, I'm reaching a little bit, because I could barely do a braid out back there. Okay. So, yeah, but my hair grew a lot. It's been about a little bit over a year since the last time I cut it. I would say a good 14 months or whatever, but my hair is not that short at all. Okay, and then when I kind of coiled it, because you know I was trying to see the length that it would be, because you know when you coil and twist and stuff, you get shrinkage, because I just want to have an idea of where it would be touching. I'm sorry, y'all look a little rough, but it's okay. I'm comfortable. I'm cute when I need to be.